How do I add filters to video calls on my iPhone?
Hello, iPhone users. Today, we're going to show you how to add filters to your video calls. This feature can be fun and help you express your creativity during your calls.
Understanding the basics.
First off, it's important to know that the ability to add filters during a video call depends on the app you are using. Not all apps support this feature. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll focus on FaceTime, the native iPhone app that does allow adding filters.
How to open FaceTime.
To start a video call with filters, you first need to open the FaceTime app. It's a green icon with a white video camera symbol on it. You can find it on your home screen or in your app library.
Starting a video call.
After opening FaceTime, you can start a new video call by tapping on the plus button at the top right corner. Then, enter the name, email, or phone number of the person you want to call. After you've entered the details, tap on the video button to start the call.
Adding filters to the video call.
Once the call has started, tap on the screen to reveal the menu. On the bottom left corner, you'll see a star-shaped icon labeled Effects. Tap on it to reveal the filters and effects you can use. Here, you can scroll through and choose a filter you like. Once you've chosen a filter, simply tap on it, and it will be applied to your video call in real time.
Removing or changing filters.
If you want to remove or change the filter, just tap on the screen again, go to Effects, and either select a different filter or tap on the current one again to deselect it. And there you have it. Now you know how to add filters to your video calls on your iPhone. We hope you found this guide useful, and have fun experimenting with different filters on your next FaceTime call.